Oh, this is a nerve-wracking experience. I'm like, one mistake and that's it, game over. And we'll just be asking ourselves, what have we done? But I think we're on top of it right now. We're getting close. You excited for budget Starlink?
If it works, then I'm very excited.
Yeah, if it doesn't work, it's a bit
Well,
crappy.
we have tested the cut.
Oh, I haven't shown that. Do you want to show an end
An end.
that you've swapped?
Oh, I meant the dish where we've cut it up.
Oh, I've shown that. The cables, though, I haven't shown.
It's over there. It's easier. We have done the swapping. Bear with me. This is our waterproof connector, and inside it we have I know they're not insulated, but we couldn't find insulated ones, so if it's a problem I guess we'll swap it later. But we've tested all of this and it works with the butchered dish, so that's probably the scariest part. Now we just have to make sure nothing gets wet. You're enjoying the view there, darling?
Both the views.
I am enjoying the nice view of the canyon, and you?
I am watching a live football match back in England, Man United versus Man City, on the BBC, playing flawlessly thanks to...
Oh man, I love Starlink, because you can have the internet out here.
So we're not going to do a video about how to flat mount Starlink because there's loads of them online and they probably do it a lot better than we have. But we're going to show you our budget flat mount version. So come take a look. So this is the top of our Starlink dish, which before was with a mount. We have chopped it right down, and it doesn't look pretty yet because we're gonna tidy it up, but it's actually been mounted on top of a lid for just a plastic box which is a similar shape, and we put it on these metal bars because the idea is for it to sit on our roof rack. But unlike people who have mounted it with a permanent mount on their roof, we thought the problem with that is if you're under any type of obstruction, you're not going to have internet. And it seems a bit pointless paying $45 a month for internet and then not being able to use it. So we have put it on something that will allow us to mount it on the roof rack. We are going to have a connection in the wire which they give you, which is massive, which then allows us to put it in the best place where we get really good internet. And as you can see, we're in a canyon right now and we've got banging internet, mate. So you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to flat mount your Starlink dish. Just cut it open and stick it on a plastic box.
With a lot of Sikaflex.
With a lot of Sikaflex, yes. Awesome.